across our proud South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest. And Rocky gets the first number correct. How about the second number? After the second number, Rocky, but Rocky loves numbers. And Rocky gets the number 8. So, 8 plus 20 is equal to 28. Put your hands together for how you walk. Rocky, between the shell. How intelligent she is by putting the shape back to its correct spot. Just like Sassy, green magos are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth magos. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. And for the last shape, go Sassy. And there you go, it's not just right. So here's an object that I will hide under one of these 3 silver boxes. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now we shall. Left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's go ahead right here. Now let's go on our side bird. Gazelle. Pilipino woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Gazelle has the ability to find the hidden object? If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Gazelle. Go, Gazelle. And she found it! Around us for Gazelle, like any married couple. But as any couple will test, in a relationship, there will always be battles. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Now the girls that you say, Sassy, Sassy. Is that? Go! Here's rock on his third ball. Found on by Sassy. And another rock from Rocky. And it's a tie for the last ball. And Rocky wins. What a close game. What do you say about the trainer juries?
The first bird so that turns into the ball passes the winner. That is a ring race.
So, on ring race, each of you, remember guys that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, this time on ring race. Ready, set, go! Come on, Sassy! Here's what is first ring.